nu știu, mi se pare că e întuneric. I'm in the train since 1.5 hours. Soon I will be arriving in Anina. Soon, I guess, in about 20-25 minutes. I'm so happy that the train is almost empty. In comparison to last time I've been here, it was July, August, and it was full, it was packed. People were playing music and chatting loud. So I enjoy the quiet, I enjoy the nature, the big windows. It is a different career, a different train. I guess it's the winter one because it has heating machines. That one was a summer one. You could open all windows, but it's very nice and cozy. I'm going next to see some natural beauties. The host from the accommodation where I'm staying offered to drive my car from Oravița to Anina and then to show me and my friends, to show us some natural beauties. I've never been there before. I'm so much looking forward because I've been reading and I so much wanted to come here and I never found the chance, but now is the chance. Now is the perfect day because it's not too warm outside, it is sunny, it is dry, it is so pleasant. So I don't know the exact itinerary. I'm going to see. That's the plan for today, and tomorrow I will be visiting Oravița, the center of it, some old buildings. I have a list you are going to see tomorrow. What's very important for me is to see the theater. I hope that it has been renovated because last time it was closed for renovation works that lasted years. The theater in Oravița is the oldest in modern Romania, so on the territory of Romania. I don't know the exact year, but I'm going to give you all the information tomorrow. But today, let's see some natural beauties.
In the midday sun, bees are buzzing now that spring is done. The birdsong glows as the tide rolls out.
I'm approaching bigger waterfall. I wanted to visit it last time, but I didn't have time, and it was so crowded. But now is the right chance. There are no tourists, and look, amazing. The water is crystal clear. We are going now to discover a chain of water mills. It's something absolutely unique. The water flows from the river into the rock and it's led through a small tunnel into the first water mill. The nature is so raw. Wow. The air is fresh and the scent is magical. So that's the other side of the tunnel. The water comes through here, and here you'll see a sign, the mill from the tunnel. It's cold and windy. That's one of the water mills, and the lady here, she's every day here, is going to show us how it works. Her mill has the biggest stone of all. Așa. Here it is, and she's going to start the mechanism to have a better feeling and knowledge. You see the grains? As you know, without electricity, just the speed, the power of the river. And the polenta taste is extremely intense because the corn molecules are not destroyed, are kept in the little grains. I'm going to take some with me to Austria. The owner wants to show us how the water enters the mill, how the mechanism works. Look at the speed.
Asta vălaul se înguspează și în felul ăsta îi dă presiune mai mare.
The pipe gets more narrow, therefore the speed is much stronger. Așa, așa. Wow! Down there is the wheel. The velocity is so high. It's the first time that I've seen anything like it before. Of course, we all know that there are water mills existing, but to see it, to hear it, the smell, the water smell. Now, the owner is opening the door, is opening the pressure. The water is collected in the basin there. And it flows back into the river. It's getting more and more quiet. Some syrup, some honey. Ia arătați-mi. Ce frumos! There are so many wool products. Wow, dar sunt mici pentru mine.
39.
Da? Se întind sau cum?
Păi eu lucrez la ei.
Da, și se întind?
Și galbene am
This one will be my size.
Și milieuri de pus.
Mi-aș lua o traistă de asta. There is the cornflower. I got two
Dacă
bags.
vreți și
Nu,
siropul,
mulțumesc.
siropul de aptine, Jim.
Nu.
And here the chain of meals continues, one after the other. Oh my God, what a natural wonder. It's almost 8 p.m. We are still very close to the nature. We are in a forest. It's very good to walk because the meal was so good. I'm usually not into garlic or onion, but it went so well with the fish. And we are about to see now a waterfall. It's called Burăul Mare, and it should be spectacular. So we are exhausted. We are going to walk for about 5 minutes, and I'm curious. I'm curious to see how the waterfall looks because I've heard it's nicer than bigger. And now we are going to see the next waterfall. The name is Modovica, and we only drove, I don't know, for 5 minutes. This waterfall is very close to the street, so we will only have to walk 1 minute. Here it is. It looks so much different. Beautiful as well, but different. It's more wide and more surrounded by greenery. We are climbing the street while the car is in neutral position. I can't really show you exactly, but it's crazy.
Da? Să o duc înapoi.
So the car drives on its own. Look! Look!
Da?
That's insane.
Tot așa.